Alright, yeah, I kind of zoomed out a little bit. See more of my TV that you never got to see in any other videos. Because it was always like zoomed in. Alright. So yeah, this is my next glitch. It really isn't mine. It's not fair of me to call it mine because too many other people have found glitches that does the same thing. You are gonna find this a little familiar. Okay, it pushes you through this thingy down to there where you'd normally be when the Starship Phoenix is under attack. Okay, so that's what it does. Okay. Well, one thing we can do is try the PD again, I guess. Oh, that's alright. It says it's already maxed out. See, it really isn't. I know what it is. No, do not. Oh my god. Okay, hold on. This stupid thing took me back here. Not want to go there. God. Okay. I think I know what it is. This only maxes out weapons that are in your quick select. Oh, such an idiot. Yeah, I'm gonna get a new TV in a more private room, as I said, that where I will be able to yeah, record more frequently. So maybe that will help. Alright, I guess it doesn't just do weapons in your quick select. I don't know why it won't max out all my weapons. Okay. Hope to God this works. I'm pretty sure I did it here. Maybe I did it off to the side. I have not been glitching in a while, guys. I have to admit. I'm coming up on my 4th year of glitching, and I cannot get this right. This is among the simplest of glitches of mine. And okay, well, isn't that R1 but working? No, not over there. There we go. I really don't understand why it's not working. Yeah, that won't let me lay anymore. Well, that sucks. I haven't been glitching in a while, so I'm kind of playing like a noob because I've been worrying so much about how I'm going to get all these projects done for the next 8 months, and yeah, I've really been struggling with that. I don't know if the camera is a little crooked or not. Hope it's not. Alright. I tell you what, I'll just do it over here where I know it will work. Which was right here. Can't really remember who it was that did this right here. Did it right here. Whoever it was, I can't remember the name. Can't really recite their name. there it goes. Thank God. Oh, my God. Okay, this is where you would go when the Phoenix is under attack. That's what my glitch did, but I just can't get to work. I don't know. Okay, you can... crap. Okay, you can go up here, and pretty much anywhere you can when you have the... oh, what am I doing? The frickin' slingshot out. Alright. Yeah, it does... You can go anywhere you can with the, when the Phoenix is under attack. Yeah. See, there's no beam up there anymore. Yeah, no beam. Camera more. Yeah, there's no beam. And, this door is open already. No robot ninja thingies to kill you. Right in here is the control room, or whatever it's called. Okay, one second. When you go in here, then you come back out. Never mind. I thought it came back. Okay, this is what you do to get back, pretty much. Because I thought that thing came back, but I guess not. I'm gonna have to get hurt here because I really can't do anything about it. Can't get up any other way, really. Okay, come over here. You hold down the R1 and you like this, and you're back up here. Yeah. Okay, in the next video I'll do my last glitch for UIA and I'll continue speedrunning. Alright, see ya.